Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Miriam and in 2021 I challenged myself to read 365 books. I also like to talk about books, and in this video I am unboxing something I bought at Waterstones. But first things first, if you like all things bookish, then please consider subscribing to my channel. My challenge for next year is actually going to be to buy less books than I usually do, but I had this gift card from Waterstones, the most famous bookshop in the UK. I got this gift card over a year ago and I have not been in the UK for 2 years, and I don't know when I would be able to get books from that gift card. And I also had like points from Waterstones, so I didn't want that card to expire, so I decided to buy some books online. Okay, I pay quite a lot of money for shipping fees, but still, not all the books I ordered are in this box, but at least there's a few in it. I do not know exactly which books from the order, so it's kind of exciting. So let's check. I'm usually very bad at unboxing things, but this is... there is like this thing. Yeah, wow! Wow! I'm doing great. Look at that. Oh, there's 4 books in this thing. First there's Dear Mrs. Birth by A.J. Pierce. Do you say it like that? I don't know what this book is about. Like, with almost all the books I order and get, I do not really know what they're about, but I've heard so many good stories about this book that I decided that I would have to get a copy of myself. And I like the cover with the font and the stamp on it. And I believe this is a book that's definitely worth reading during Christmas or before Christmas. So this is probably going to be on my December TBR, even though I have this Comfort and Joy TBR thing going on. More on that next week. I think it will fit on my TBR. Ooh, hardcover! The Cat Who Saved Books. Again, this is a book I have no idea what it's about, and I have not heard great stories about it either, but it was recommended on the website and I thought the title sounded very interesting, and I think I read actually like a summary or something like that, but I can't remember what it was about. But it's about books and a cat, so what could go wrong? Ooh, the Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society. This is actually a book I've already read. The ebook, I actually own the ebook, but I thought this book was great and I wanted to have my own copy of it, and I do like the cover of this edition. There was another edition that I really liked, but it was not in stock, so I decided to get this one. And look at that, it's so colourful. And actually I love the idea of a colourful book, but I do not really know whether it fits with the story. So yeah, well, I might put this one on my December TBR as well, but you will see that next week, obviously. The last book. How to Stop Time by Matt Haig. Very interesting title. Time is flying by so fast, I cannot believe it. And again, I have not really thought about this, but I've read The Midnight Library and The Humans by Matt Haig. I really like The Midnight Library. The Humans was not really my thing, but I can't wait to read this one. I've heard quite a lot of stories of this one as well, and it sounds really interesting, and I love the cover of the book. I buy quite a lot of books just because I like their covers, and I like the title of this one as well, and I know that Matt Haig writes good books. This should be a good read. I'm showing off the books I just got from the box. I believe there are 3 more books on their way, and there's actually one book that I will have to send an email to Waterstones because I want to cancel that order. It is a pre-order of a paperback and the hardcover has not come out yet, and it says that the paperback is going to be there in 2023, and that's just quite a long time. I hope I've been to the UK by that time and got the hardcover of that book myself. So I have to send them an email about that. But these books are new on my shelves, and well, I've read The Guernsey Literary and Potato Peel Pie Society, but there's actually 3 more books on my TBR. I want to be strict with myself next year and buy less books. I will tell you more about that in a future video, because well, I do have quite a lot of shelf space as well, but I want to get rid of the idea that as soon as a book comes out I need to have it. I want to be a bit more careful with the things I buy, but more on that in the future. I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a thumbs up and let me know in a comment what was your latest book purchase, and should I buy it too? Do you think I will like it? And as always, happy reading!